All right, so now that I have materials for the background and for the ground, I think maybe it's almost time to create a decent material for the bag. However, before I do that, I should consider marking some seams, doing some UV unwrapping. So let's take a look at UV editing mode. Let's actually get into object mode and select the right item. And if we go ahead and tab and then select everything, we'll see that this is laid out as a plus sign by default. It was a cube, and so basically it's just taking the geometry. UV unwrapping is taking the geometry and cutting it and laying it out flat so that you can apply some type of image to it. And that's all well and good, but the problem is sometimes it can get more complicated and nuanced than that. I'm going to get rid of some of these, the plane and the ground, just so they're less of a distraction. So, for example, if I am in object mode, and if I take this material, and instead of just having the color, I take a base color and apply an image to it. Oh, and I suppose for that to work, we should actually go in material preview mode. Uh, so I'll go ahead and I'll open something, and I'm just going to go to something on my desktop, and I will go ahead and I will apply this, grab this image, and well, gosh, that doesn't quite look like anything. So if I am in edit mode, and if we kind of examine this, we can see that, all right, well, I've got this image, and I've got this cross that's overlaid over the image, and that's it. That's what you get. So what we're going to do next, and in subsequent videos, is we'll just kind of explore cutting this up and creating seams and seeing how that affects what we can do with how things are applied to the different faces of the object.